With billions of users and a large captive audience, Instagram and affiliate marketing are a natural match, and you don't necessarily need a ton of followers to start making money. In fact, many brands target Instagram users with between 2,000 and 15,000 followers, not the Kylie Jenners or Instagram eggs of the world. Rather, they want real people with engaged audiences. If you're looking to make money on Instagram, here are the best affiliate programs to look into. Number 1. Digistore. Are you from the country that is banned from ClickBank? Or are you just trying to diversify your affiliate marketing portfolio? If this is you, then you're in luck because today I'm going to share with you how to use Digistore 24 and how to make money with Digistore 24 in 2020 as an affiliate marketer. Digistore 24 is an online marketplace like ClickBank where vendors and publishers can meet themselves and then grow their online business. In other words, Digistore 24 is an affiliate network. It acts as a middleman between vendors and publishers who are looking for some products or services to promote. Here are the advantages D24 offers to affiliates. You can join for free. Affiliate application approval is immediate. Products are listed by category, making the process of finding an offer or product to promote very easy. They offer many payment methods such as bank transfer or PayPal. Unlike ClickBank, D24 is a worldwide company, and no matter where you are located, you can find products to promote and get paid. A better alternative to ClickBank if your country is restricted. The possibility to get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The payout threshold is low, $50 for monthly payment option. Commission rate ranges from 15 to 90%. 2. Rakuten. Rakuten is a Tokyo-based online retailer that allows affiliates to promote goods from over 1,000 merchants. Unfortunately, they don't accept just anyone as Amazon does. Small or beginner affiliates likely won't make the cut unless they have higher than average engagement rates. Rakuten's platform looks pretty slick, and it certainly makes the idea of being an affiliate look like this sort of cool tech-forward opportunity. Publishers receive access to a suite of analytics tools so they can hone in on what's working and what's not. The process is a lot like Amazon's. You'll choose from a dizzying array of products and you can track your progress through a selection of analytics tools. The site doesn't tell you how much you can earn. Its help section says the amount of revenue can vary widely, which we assume means that commissions depend on the brand and the amount of traffic you drive, rather than the category as you'll see with Amazon. 3. CJ Affiliate. Formerly known as Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate gives publishers a central hub where they can connect with thousands of brands. CJ appears to be more focused on traditional blogger affiliates, but this could work for social channels as well. The benefit of working with CJ is that its 15-plus years in the affiliate game means its partner network is deep, with over 3,000 brands, including big names like Apple, TurboTax, and Home Depot. There's a lot to choose from. The application process is a two-stage affair. First, you'll need to apply with a link to your website. CJ will review your site, looking at content, traffic, and optimization. Once you're in, you'll still need to apply to each of the brands you'd like to work with separately. Brands will individually review your website, which means it may be held to a higher standard than you'll find with something like Amazon Associates. Unfortunately, some users have reported that rates are lower on average than other affiliate platforms. You'll also need to make more than $50 in commissions to get your monthly payout. Number 4. Skimlinks. What's nice about Skimlinks is that the application process covers all of your bases. For example, once you're in with Skimlinks, you're in with the 20,000 merchants it works with. You can also embed a snippet of JavaScript on your site, and any existing links will be converted to affiliate links. Skimlinks is geared mainly toward those with content sites. Instagram can definitely drive traffic and increase sales, but this works best for bloggers with a lot of outbound links on their website. Skimlinks is pretty vague when it comes to sharing details about the payout. The FAQ section on the site says that several factors could affect your pay, from product seasonability to how much traffic you drive. They also take a 25% cut from your earned commissions, but there's no charge to use the platform. Unfortunately, it could take a while to get paid. Commissions must be approved by retailers and sometimes take up to 60 days to clear. Number 5. ShareASale. ShareASale is a large affiliate network that connects you with around 4,500 merchants. At a glance, the site looks a bit old, but the company works with a long list of popular brands: Allbirds, ModCloth, Wayfair, Warby Parker, and Reebok. Brands span a wide range of categories and commissions vary by product and advertiser. Aspiring affiliates must have a website to get approved and share their promotional methods in their application. The platform isn't super selective, but the company does its due diligence to ensure your content sticks to a specific theme. Publishers must enter their payment info to get started and must keep a $50 minimum balance in their account at all times. Fail to meet that minimum and ShareASale will charge you a $25 fee to keep your account going. While not a huge expense, you'll want to ensure that you're ready to drive traffic as soon as your account is approved. Number 6. ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate platform that doesn't offer much in the way of screening requirements, which makes it easy for anyone to sign up as a publisher. ClickBank works a bit differently than the other options on this list. For one, the platform is used for digital products only, not physical goods. As you can see above, some of the products look a little iffy. Keep that in mind as you consider how numerology readings will fit into your Instagram feed. What's unique about ClickBank is that you get to choose the products you promote based on how much the company is willing to pay. So, while it wasn't especially clear what the payout breakdown might look like, publishers do have some control over who they work with. One of the biggest benefits is that ClickBank offers some pretty high commissions, in some cases up to 50 to 75%. Number 7. ShopStyle Collective. ShopStyle Collective is all about helping people monetize their social accounts. It even offers a feature called Looks, where you can create shoppable images, a major step up from directing followers to an external website. The sign-up process is relatively easy. After you choose your username and password, you'll fill out a series of short forms that ask how many followers you have, what platforms you use, and so on. I filled out the form, using fake info of course, and received a message that it would take 1 to 2 weeks to review my application. Unlike Amazon, which basically lets anyone into the fold, ShopStyle does a little digging to ensure that you're an actual influencer. The company doesn't outright say it, but it's clear that the barrier to entry is much higher than the other platforms we've looked at. It's probably not the best option for the absolute beginner. According to ShopStyle, influencers earn a percentage of every sale based on the platform's cost per acquisition program. Commissions vary based on retailer. Do you already have an Instagram theme page? If so, what's your main goal with it? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. And until next time, keep up the hustle.